Hello guys, it's day number 12 of me quit smoking cold turkey. So yesterday night I was not able to sleep because as I told you yesterday I was doing some work and that was completed on 12 o'clock, and after that I was not able to sleep. I slept at some 4 o'clock in morning, and after some time I woke up. So the whole night I am not able to sleep, and that's why in the morning time my morning is also not good, and I could not go to toilet as early as I am going. So this is also a problem, and then the anger and the irritability that are also come, but that is in morning time. My afternoon is slightly better, and now the evening is also some better, but today I can say is a bad day in terms of the withdrawals, and one more thing is happening, that my lungs are emitting more and more tar and more mucus. So this is a new thing. So this is the report, and I also want to discuss a few things with you. That first, that every time I say that I am angry and all the things, so every symptom and everything is not necessarily related to the quit smoking, because a person who never smokes in his life, he also can get angry. So it is not right to relate everything with the quit smoking. We have some other problems also in life, and that's why we can do something and something. So this is everything is not due to quit smoking. So that is the first thing. The other thing I want to say is that I am always tell that I feel angry and irritable, and I know that people can feel depressed, demotivated, stressed, anxious, and these things also. And you may think that I am always hiding something from you, that I am not depressed and anything. But now I am going to tell you the truth. The truth is that after my spiritual awakening and my Kundalini awakening, I never got depressed and I never got demotivated, because at that time when my Kundalini Shakti is awoken, I lose my fear of death. So you can easily guess that a person who has no fear of death, how can he is getting depressed. So that's why I have no depression, but sometimes the feeling like demotivation and I am not want to do anything. So these things are come, but no stress and depression, these things are not there. You can feel them, and it does not mean that you are an inferior man or an inferior human being. It's just because you can also not be depressed by some spiritual practices and by doing some meditation and all these things. You can also feel the same state as I feel. So I tell you truly that there is no depression with me, with myself, but the other people can feel these depression type of feeling. So this is the another thing. And the one more thing I want to say, that I am getting bored by making these daily vlogs, because it's 27th day I think from the whole this channel I am updating daily video. So it is also a boring task. Everything we have to do on a daily basis is it's boring. It feel like boring, and the best thing in the world, if you have to do it daily, it does not feel good every time. So I am boring by making these vlogs. So this is I also want to tell. So today only this, and yesterday I will talk to you some for more time. So today I did not want to make this video. I have not that much of energetic, and I just did not want, because my mind also have to operate bilingually. It's trilingually. I speak some different language at home, and then some different language on my Hindi YouTube channel, and now I am speaking a different language in front of you. So sometime I feel tired, but as I promised that I am going to document it, and I am going to make these vlogs. I know there are no audience also, there are not much people who are watching me, so that is also I know, but I just want to document it, and as I promised to myself, So I am going to make these vlogs for some more days. So this is the update, guys. Meet you tomorrow, and God bless you. Om Namah Shivaya.